Hello everyone, my name is Iko Mangsang Sinuarta, and on this occasion I would like to tell you how to create something from the recycled materials. And the materials that I choose is the cardboards. So I would like to create some bookshelf from these materials. Let's check it out.
The tools that you need are this kind of tools. You can change the hot glue with ordinary glue. These are the parts of the cardboards that you need to connect. And this is for the drawers. The first thing that I do is connect the first part of the cardboard with hot glue. The first part that I connect is the left side of the bookshelf. I use the hot glue because it is very easy to use and very fast to dry. Connect it to the base of the bookshelf. Ensure it to connect correctly and strongly. Followed by the next side of the bookshelf. Pour the hot glue on it and connect it to the base of the bookshelf. After you ensure the part is already connected correctly, then you move to the next part of the bookshelf. That is the top case of the bookshelf. Pour the glue as usual and then you connect it to the base and the left and right side of the bookshelf. And then we move on to the two tabs of the divider. Pour the glue on it carefully and then connect it to the base of the bookshelf carefully. Ensure to connect correctly and strongly. The second part is the same as the first part. And now we move on to the back case of the bookshelf. Pour the glue as usual, like the step before. And then connect it to the base of the bookshelf. Make sure it's connect correctly. You could add more glue if you are unsure about the strength of the connector. After the main base of the bookshelf is already finished, we move on to the process of the drawer making. In this bookshelf, I add 3 drawers in it, so we have to make it one by one. After you finish the drawer, don't forget to add the puller on it so that you could easily pull the drawer. To shorten the times, I already made the two kind of drawers. We move on to the divider for the top of the bookshelf. For this step, first I connect the top of the case or this bookcase and followed by the divider. Finally, we just need to attach the back case of this bookshelf. It's finally done.